Alright guys, while my last two posts were focused on strengthening the knee, for those of you who already have knee pain that is preventing you from squatting or lifting your legs the way you want to, these are two exercises to protect the knee and relieve the stress and tension from them. First are the hip thrusters. I know too many guys who won't do these because they think it looks too awkward, but the vast majority of knee pain and squatting comes as a result of too much front loading on the joint. Hip thrusters provide excellent activation specifically in the posterior muscles of your leg, the glutes and your hamstrings, which by default will decrease tension in the front. Do 3 sets of these before you squat and I promise you, you will feel a difference. The second tip to protecting the knees is just a simple weight shift. Notice as I set my feet under me, I then take 1 step forward before I squat down. This shifts your center of gravity slightly backwards so that you can still get a really deep squat without putting so much pressure on the knee joint. If you don't have access to a Smith machine, then you can also do these at home with your back against the wall. Just put a foam roller or a sliding mat behind your back and push up and down.